might just come in on first pass here.
That'd be awesome.
Oh, right here. Yep, right here, right here. Remember, I didn't reload my gun.
Oh man, look at these. This is awesome.
Just wait, just wait. Just wait for the bash. I don't know, what do you think? Should we take the smaller group?
Up to you.
I don't know. No. Let him come, let him come. Don't move your head, boys. Oh man, look right above us. I wonder if we should take this group right here. I don't know.
Can't hurt.
You shoot them?
Sure.
No.
No. Well, we got a juvie right here, Tyler.
In the decoys?
Right in front of me.
Oh.
At like 5 yards.
You banded?
No.
It's like all juvies. Can't get him to center up.
Yeah. Yeah.
God, sorry guys, I don't know what we should have done there.
That's all right.
That one.
That juvie, he was right here.
I know, he was so close.
That was cool.
I don't know. We could have shot that group of 12 like.
Yeah, like you said though, they never just really centered up how we wanted them.
First time was the best though.
Yeah.
The very first time that little group came, they were right there at the flyers. But that's when the whole group was still working.
It's hard to say. That was just cool though. I watched that juvie. He just came and he just
watching over here.
No, he came and then he popped back up and then he came even closer. That was awesome. Right up front.
Shoot him. I got my husband.
My gun only shot twice. Oh, how do we only get one?
That wasn't very good.
No.
Your gun only shot once?
I think it shot, it shot twice.
Yeah.
The third, oh, right here, right here.
Hey, right front, right front. Now let's get the whole group in like that.
Yeah.
Well, good morning so far.
Yeah.
4 snows in December.
We got 4.
Or 5. There's 4 birds dead right here in front of me.
Okay. We got 1 right here, Tyler. What do you think? Shoot him? Oh wow, that was bad. That was bad. Nice! Oh.
Right here, Dad. He's gonna come in.
I got another one.
Oh, I didn't see these. Sorry, guys.
You got one right out front, Tyler. Let's just take this guy. Right here?
Shoot him, Benjamin.
Yeah.
Shoot it.
Nice shot, dude!
Nice shot, Josh. Nice shot! What a shot, Joshua! Yes! Joshua smoked that guy.
That was a good shot. Man, if these 3 just veer over here. Finally have time to catch our breath as soon as, well, we weren't even fully set up and they started showing up snows and darks and then a few ducks even flying, but we got about 500 socks out, some silhouettes, and it's been working on some snow geese. The darks really haven't cooperated the best, but the snow geese, we probably could have a few more, but that was fun. I had a juvie 5 yards from me, so out here with Tyler and his boys, we're all picking away at them. So good wind and sunny day, a little chilly too. Oh, there's more snows. All right.
Let them come all the way.
Yeah. Let me shoot him. Man.
There you go.
Getting a few here. Lost him in the sun the first shot. But nice old juvie.
Are these snows coming at us? I think these are snows coming at us.
They are. No. The way
I
that
think so. At least back reach definitely snows all up front. You shoot them? You said shoot the pair.
Oh, I didn't even see them.
Did you see the pair?
No, I didn't see them.
They'll come back around.
Yeah, let's take the pair if they come. They're gonna probably land on far side, it looks like though.
Every time, just wait. I get them both.
You got them both. I couldn't see them in the sun.
We get
Well,
that down again.
Finally got some dark geese in. Tyler got a double. Right in the sun. That is a killer. But
Those are
glad we got them. Got one right here, Tyler. Actually, this pair. You want to shoot these two?
I do.
Want to shoot them?
Shoot 'em.
Oh, God.
I know I got that one. This is fun. Starting to get some darks. I'm on the board with a little, that might be a cackler. I might have to weigh him. I wonder how much, maybe
Hey, Dad, look at those.
3-4 pounds. Basically have a one-shot wonder here.
They might turn in here.
Man,
Lay down, Buster. They're not super high. You want off.
we'll try to limp along with the rest of the hunt here. What's this single? Is this a snow goose? Coming right at us over the pivot. It is low.
Oh yeah, low snow goose. Shoot him, Matt. Here you go, the gas. I got more birds than you, so I'll let you shoot these singles.
That's fine. I was hoping he would come over to Benjamin's side.
Yeah. Man, that's a great bird. Holy cow. Sounds eggshell on it.
It's a juvie.
Holy cow. Let them all land. They're going to.
I don't know.
Dang, that wind is tough. Should we shoot them?
Yeah. Ah.
Oh, I hit that one. He's going down. I hit him.
He's down.
That's fine. We're gonna take these when they come in. Say when, Matt.
That's right there. I picked out the blue.
I did too.
Oh crap.
Did we all get one?
I think we just dropped the blue.
Oh, no.
That's the one I pulled up on.
That was bad.
Yeah, probably should have had a few more.
I should have known you were gonna shoot the blue because you haven't shot very many, but
I saw him. I'm like,
I was like, well, he may miss, so I may as well just try to shoot him.
hey, we got him, so that's all that matters.
It was a juvie though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a juvie blue, but I'm like, I'm gonna take the blue.
I think I see an eagle head.
Oh, grab the wad. And then we just had a nice group. Got one out of it. Tyler and I shot the same one. But first blue of the day, just a juvie, but picking away at them. Get ready, guys. I'll call it, okay, guys? They were almost there.
The flag came right over. I had a shot.
Man,
Yeah.
I thought they were gonna come right in.
I did too.
Were they close?
Yeah.
35.
Were they right over you?
Yeah, they were right over.
I thought they were just gonna keep coming, so we didn't call it. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should have called it. Hard to say.
They were right above me.
Yeah, I thought they were coming down lower though.
Yeah.
Oh well.
That's alright.
Hey, the birds always come when you're gone because last
Put their feet down. Better shoot them. I got 2 or 3.
Watch that one. He's gonna.
He's down.
There.
Oh man.
That was awesome.
that was awesome.
Come on, we got more coming. We got more coming.
Let's do that again.
Here we go. Here we go. This is it. Yeah, come on, come on. Please. You better not be picky because this might be the last one today.
Yeah.
Well,
They might swing back. Oh yeah, we got more dropping.
in the sun. Oh, they're maple leafing.
Yeah, they're dropping. Holy cow, this is awesome.
They just gotta finish though.
Yeah.
Should we not be greedy and take these ones that come in?
Which are you talking? These 3, Tyler?
Yeah, they're pretty nice though too.
Yeah, we just need them to get lower.
Yeah, shoot.
They just never would quite finish. What did they? Right there? Oh my god!
Yeah, Dad, I got that one.
Joshua. So did I.
I might have got that one too.
Well, all 3 of you shot at the exact same time.
My gun jammed
We got
after.
2 more. Yeah, I thought we were done there. 2 more.
This is what a fun hunt, man. They worked in great too. Yeah, hey, thanks for that.
He did go a long ways.
That's a community bird, I think.
I've got 4 birds.
Josh, what?
And we are calling that a day. Really fun day. We had good wind to start and throughout the morning, and the flight of birds was also really good. There wasn't a lull the entire hunt, which was it was just a really fun morning. We worked in some nice groups of snows. Probably had some opportunities we didn't take advantage of, but still, we ended with 26 geese total, 20 light geese, mostly juvie snows. There's a couple blues and then a Ross or 2 mixed in as well, and 6 Canada geese. So fun time. Probably could have had more if we stayed out all day, but no need to get greedy. What an awesome experience it was seeing all these birds and working some of them in. But that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be sure to go out there and support those conservation organizations, Ducks Unlimited, Delta Waterfowl, and we'll catch you out there. See ya.